Morning all. So we've got a pine tree to come down today. It's a typical British sunny day for it as well. So this is the tree for today. I'm going to try my best to make a video even though it's raining. We have got TM. This is the drop. So as you can see, it's right over the road. We've got two walls. It's a one-way road. It's wet, it's windy. So this is the location. So there's the tree. So we've got a nice big driveway and access there, but I think everything's going onto the road. So this is the junction. This is the one-way road. There's the tree. So we've got TM down here. We're going to try and drop it in. We're going to have the digger here soon. Okay, so gear we're using today, so saw wise we've got the 500i with the 36-inch bar. We have the 201 with the GB 14-inch bar. I've got my tree motion, a couple of slings just in case, Cambian saver. Side strop is a 5-meter steel core with a hitchheimer pulley system on there. I really like that. I find you get a lot of control when it doesn't slip, so that's quite cool. Panther carbon spikes with a ascender. That is the worst ascender ever. Do not buy this Ellerid or however you say it. This thing is a joke, but it's just there just in case. Climbing rope. We have the Tango Ecstatic. I've just put my zigzag on because I'm not using my Kimbo in this weather. So that's what I'll be climbing on. Got my Protoss rigging. So I'll be using this at the top of the tree, the ISC bollard with, I think that's a 2-meter ultra sling that I made. This I'll be using to block down, so that's a ring with, I think it's a 5-meter ultra sling. So we have a new bollard, or nearly new, dragon bollard, which is brilliant. We have a old rock climbing rope, which will be used as a tag line, and then we have a 60-meter, fairly new Tefberg Cirrus, or Cyrus, 14mm rigging rope. So that's what we'll be using for that. Okay, so we're brushed out, top's gone, that's gone, just the wood now. So I didn't get much video footage because it's super windy and it's peeing down, so we just wanted to crack on. Got the digger loading the wood there. I think the van is nearly full. Smashed it on the ground, to be fair. Van's pretty much full. Okay, so we're down to a pole. We've rigged a little bit of wood off the top, which is in the trailer. Just gonna have a cup of tea because it's only 9:45. So it went really well. yeah, just set the rigging block there somewhere. So we're going to rig that top, probably get 2 because we can't go too low because of that, and then it's just ring it. So yeah, it's going well. Fucking hell! Jesus! Let it run! I hope you got that on video. You bagger. Come on. Here we go. Ah, so strong. Oh. Okay, here we go. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, going again. Here we go. And that's that, all down, just got to tidy up. Traffic light guy's on his way. There's the stump. This thing was brilliant. Wouldn't have got this done that quick without that. And here's the timber. Lovely jubbly.